In this video, I will be showing how an admin can easily add new members using our membership management solution. The admin needs to click on the Add New Member. The admin will be seeing this page. The admin can also take help of how to use this page if needed. So the admin needs to fill up the member information manually. The admin needs to fill up the country details as well. Select the membership plan, monthly, yearly, or any of the membership plan which is suitable to this member. Can add the member information without payment, also with payment, by filling up the payment information on behalf of the member. If the membership is done without payment, the admin can later on add payments manually to the member's profile. The admin can add the membership start date and click on Add Member in order to add member. Confirm. And we can see that the member has been added to the system. Again, the admin can add any existing person from the solution to as a member. For example, the admin can search from using the search bar, and the membership information will be filled. The admin only needs to select the membership and payment details with or without, and the membership start date, and click on Add Member so that the existing person can be a new member in the portal.